So I work night shift as a security guard, right? And on my first day, they told me one rule. Never open the footage from camera 09, ever. If anyone asks, just say it's broken. Cool, whatever. But tonight, while I'm alone in the control room, camera 09 suddenly turns on by itself. Bro, the cable for that camera was literally unplugged. Curiosity hits me like an idiot, so I click on it. And boom, the screen shows this long, dark hallway that nobody uses anymore. At first, it's empty. Then, something steps into frame. A person-shaped figure with no face. Just smooth skin, no eyes, no mouth, nothing. I swear my whole body froze. Then it does something even worse. The thing waves at the camera, like it knows I'm watching. And the creepiest part? Every time I blink, the figure is closer. But the video timeline isn't moving. It's like the footage is skipping forward on its own. Suddenly, the lights in the control room shut off. All monitors go dark, except camera 09. Now the figure is right up against the lens, full screen, still waving. The label on the monitor changes from replay to live. But that video was supposed to be a months-old recording. The lights flicker again. For half a second, I see the faceless thing standing behind me, in the reflection of the screen. Then everything goes black. The morning shift found the control room with the chair knocked over, and one long handprint smeared across the monitor, dragged sideways.